Clean energy is any form of energy that is generated with low or zero carbon emission. Of course, when you talk about carbon emission, then we're talking about greenhouse gas emissions. And in one of my videos, I've discussed extensively what are these greenhouse gases. Now, the good thing about clean energy is that it helps to fight climate change, and then it also reduces pollution. So at the end of the day, consider using coal or diesel to generate electricity and look at the emission that happens in the atmosphere, the pollution and the gas emission. Now, when you talk about clean energy, they would include solar, which is quite common. Many people know what solar is. So converting the heat energy into electrical energy. Now, this can be harnessed in order to replace or complement other sources of non-renewable energy. We can also talk about wind, which is used to convert wind energy into electricity by using windmills, of course. And we can talk about hydropower, that could include tidal waves or using rivers to turn turbines, in order to generate electricity. We can talk about geothermal energy production, where the heat on the earth is used to generate electricity. That is not very common, but it is also there. Then we can also talk about nuclear energy, of course, which is uses uranium for this, and we know this is also clean energy. However, it is not renewable, just like the earlier ones that have been discussed. And last but not the least, we can talk about biomass, which is producing energy from organic sources. Now, it is important that we begin to look at these sources of energy, especially if we are organizations. We can consider these, and this will be our own way of cutting down on our greenhouse gas emission, which goes to demonstrate how ethical or moral we are when it comes to environmental protection. So that is it for clean energy. And then if you have any queries, put it in the comment section, and don't forget to share and subscribe to this video.